If you want a fun and affordable way to get out on the water, the Saturn CB290 Inflatable boat is a great choice. It's made for people who don't want to spend a lot but still want a boat that's good quality. At just under 10 feet long, it's very easy to carry around. When you let the air out, it folds down to about the size of a medium suitcase, perfect if you don't have much storage space or want to throw it in your car for a last-minute trip. One of the best things about the CB290 is how strong it is. Saturn used the same tough material found in their more expensive boats, and it has a strong, high-pressure floor that helps keep it firm and sturdy. Even though it's cheaper, it doesn't feel flimsy. However, it's a simpler model, so it doesn't come with an inflatable keel. The flat bottom keeps it steady, but it's a bit harder to steer, especially if the water is rough or windy. If you'll be using it in choppy water, you can add something simple like a pool noodle to help it steer better. When it comes to using the boat, it works well with either a gas or electric motor, or you can just paddle with the aluminum oars that come with it. It's great for fishing, exploring rivers or lakes, or floating around in calm ocean water. What really makes this boat a good deal is what you get for the price. Saturn includes extras like oars, a hand pump, a bench seat, a repair kit, and a carry bag. Sometimes they even throw in a second bench for free, so you can fit up to 3 people. It's a solid starter boat for beginners or anyone who wants something simple and easy. When compared to other boats at this price, like the Intex Excursion or Sevalor models, the CB290 is more durable and easier to carry. A lot of other cheap boats use lower quality materials, but the CB290 is built to last. In short, if you're looking for something affordable, easy to move around, and simple to use, the CB290 is a smart buy. Just remember, it's not built for fast rides or sharp turns, but for a beginner or casual user, it's a great inflatable boat. Pros: very affordable, small and easy to pack or carry, strong and durable materials, can be used with motors or paddles, steady and easy for beginners. Cons: harder to steer because of flat bottom, doesn't come with an inflatable keel. That's all for today. Check the description below for the latest prices, and be sure to watch the next videos for more reviews. Have a great day!